Welcome back. Okay, so in the video, that is the link above. That is a tutorial of how you can create a study area map, contextual map, or others call it locational map. Yes. So I showed you different types and how you can arrange the elements. Yeah, that video is an in-depth one. And when I was ending, I said I have an alternative way that I can show you how you can create your study area map. And I wanted to do it in another video. And that is what this video is coming to focus on. So I wouldn't want to waste much time. Let us switch to the view tab. So you go to view, layout view. Then let us, now we like the, what do you call it? Now we like the page and print setup. We like it that way. So we won't go to file, page and print setup to set our page. Now let us go to catalog. This is the Shapefiles I worked with. So now, what I was trying to say is that instead of creating something like this, where one element will be here, other elements will be here, there is another way you can actually make everything fall within the map. Do you get it? So this is it. I've actually widened the frame. So I'll just go for the whole Ashanti regional map district map, or the Ashanti regional district shapefile. Then I'll drag that one. After that, then I'll drag the map of Asante Achim South. This is it, boundary. Do you get it? Now that I have dragged that one, I'll just zoom in. I'll zoom in like this. Have you seen that? I'll zoom in like this. When I zoom in like this, then I'll come for the minor roads of it and the main road. Do you get it? After that, then I'll come for the communities. I'll drag the communities over there, right? Then I'll drag the steady communities. These are the steady communities. Now let me do the necessary editing or the necessary design. So I'll just select the Ashanti regional map with this one, no color. I increase the size to, okay, let's say 2. Maintain the outline color. You get it? Then I'll come to the boundary, Asante Achim South boundary, district boundary. Then for this one, I'll choose this. Then I'll choose black and increase the legend to, let's say 4, the outline to 4. I'll come to the minor road. I'll choose this black 2. Then I'll come to the main road. I'll choose black. Then maybe increase it to 6. Have you seen that? Yes. Now I'll come to the communities. Maintain the color and maybe increase it to 15. Now, this is the steady communities. Then I'll just choose this and increase it to somewhere 65. Have you seen that? Then I'll label the features. It's not visible. I'll correctly go to properties. Then I'll select caption. That is the name, Garamond. Then I'll choose the size to be, let's say 48. Then I'll bold in it, or 36. It's still not visible. I should have chosen 48. I'll come back there again. Then I'll choose 50. Then let's say choose red for that. It's now visible, right? Okay, now I'll label the features of the communities as well. I'll come to the properties ID. I think that I'll choose a caption. Then I'll choose Garamond. Have you seen that? Then I'll choose 25, half of that of the study area, but I won't label it. I'll leave it like that. Have you seen that? Okay, now when I am done with this, then let me actually drag this here. You let me bring it here. I'm bringing this one here, right? When I am done, then I'll maintain everything, but I'll label the features of the regions of Ashanti region. I'll label the features. Now, if you look at the attribute table, these are the regions, these are the districts. It looks like the regions are the ones that are showing. You see, region. I don't want the name of the region to appear, so I'll right click and go to district. Label features. Font style Garamond. Font size should be let's say 48. Then I'll choose red for that. Okay, now these are the districts names showing. So we have Bosome Frehon here. Bosome Frehon is also here. They have a dancing of Obuasi East, Amansia Central, Bekwai. Do you get it? Asante Achim North, Setre Kumawu. All these are here. Can you see Swami? You have Swami, Otafo, KMA, Kwadaso, Asokwa. Do you get it? So these are the districts in Ashanti region, right? Okay. Now, when we are done with this, the legend will actually come here. But I want to add a big key, another frame over here. This area is congested. Kumasi, this is congested. So I want to cover this here with a new frame. You get it? So I'll go here, insert data frame. Then I'll come and put it here. When I put it here like that, then this is what I am going to do. I'll go back to the shapefiles I'm working with. Then I'll drag the new regions, the Ghana new regions. When I drag the Ghana new regions, this is what I am going to do. This is what I am going to do in the Ghana new regions. I'm going to actually drag the boundary of Asante Achim South into it. Have you seen that? Then after that, I can even drag the steady areas into that. But I won't label the features over there. Have you seen that? When I am done, then I can reduce the sizes. Have you seen that? Then you can do this. Zoom in. You see that thing? Then you zoom in like this. Zoom in like this. Zoom in like this. Have you seen that? Okay. Now that you zoom in, you can actually come here. Then you choose this color for that one. Then you can label the features. Have you seen that? They look small. So you come to properties, name, then you choose Garamond. When you choose the Garamond, then you come here, then you choose, let's say 28 so that, or let's say 46, then you bold in it. Have you seen it? So Eastern region is here, Volta region, Ahafo region is here. Then you can drag the C. Let me go back to the Ghana shapefiles. In that video you saw that I went and dragged the Ghana C. I just drag the Ghana C over here so that it will show small over there. Now I just do this. Do you get it? Yes. So that is that. So I'll select this frame and insert the legend. You go here, insert legend, Garamond. Then you do this, legend, center align. Then you give it some border. Have you seen that? Maybe 1.5. Yes. Then after that, I want to make some changes over here. The Ashanti Regional District, I want it to be, let's say, adjoining district. That is my preferred name. Adjoining district. Adjoining district. Then I would like to name the districts. I don't want it to be boundary. You hover it on top of it, and it will Asante Achim South District or municipality. Main road, the main road, the dash should be out. You see what I'm changing? The changes are being made, are reflected over there. Then you are done. Have you seen that? Then you can add your not arrow. Not arrow. You add the not arrow, that's my favorite. Then you place it here. Have you seen that? Nice one. You can also add your scale. You can't create map without a scale. You go to insert, then the scale bar. To properties, you bring this one to 2. Choose kilometers. Then you write km. Then you can place the scale over here. You can bring this one here. I don't want this to cover the Bosome from, but I think it has to cover it. You right click, properties. Then you come here. Yeah, have you seen that? Yeah, now let me move this one here. Okay. Then maybe I'll come here, drag it small. Then I'll come to the scale text and add the scale text on top of it. Then I'll increase the size to, let's say, 45. Then I'll choose Garamond. Right click, properties. Then I'll choose this. Have you seen that? If it's not visible, you can actually 65. And you can even change the color to make it look visible. You can change the color to, let's say, the red is uniform with the other one, so you can actually choose, let's say, which color we should you choose? Yellow. So you can choose a color. You can choose a color to make it visible, or you can bold in it. Have you seen that? So that is it. Then you can also add the scale of this one. Scale bar. Then you add the scale. Kilometers. Remember, before you add the scale to a certain map, you have to select it first. So I selected it. Did you see that? So I selected this one before adding the scale. You don't do that. You add a scale of this to this, or this to this. So bear that in mind. So let me move this one to the side, or maybe push it further. Have you seen that? Then maybe you right click, you go to this, then you choose the background color, the same one for the, so that it will be uniform. Have you seen that? Then you select it again, then you go to scale text, then you add this one to that. Have you seen that? Garamond, of course. Then you choose 48, then maybe you bolden it, then you right click that one to go to properties, then you choose this. Have you seen that? Nice one. Then you can add a north arrow for this one too. So the north arrow for this one, then you select this. Have you seen that? I hope you are following. You can add the north arrow, maybe you place it somewhere here. Woo! So the map is ready. Have you seen that? So now let us export it and see. So you go to File, Export. Then maybe you write context map. Context map J. Let us see how that one looks like. Context map J. Have you seen it? So now we know that this is the map, so we can read Moso Adomfe Bompata Jaso, and we can see that on the map of Ghana. Oh, okay, Ashanti region is here, but then this is where the district is located. You can actually do this. You come and select this one, then you go to the shapefile. See the shapefile I'm working with. I have a map of Ashanti region over there. I have a map of Ashanti region. This is it. No, you cannot select this one rather. A map of Ashanti region over there. So you select that one. When it comes in like that, then you come here, you select no color, but you choose black for the outline color, then you increase the border to intensify it. Do you get it? Yes, to intensify it. Then maybe you can label the features of Ashanti region. Do you get it? Then maybe you increase the size of the Ashanti regional label to maybe 60. Garamond, bold in it, or you can even choose red. Do you get it? It's too big, so you can go there and do this. You can choose, let's say, 35. Have you seen that? Yes. So I saw that this one is hair. Then maybe you can also add neat line, insert neat line. Now let us re-export it. I want it in JPEG form, not PDF. So another one, context _ J. Have you seen it? Yeah, so that is it. And that is an alternative way you can create a contextual map. You can actually come here, you see the names of the districts. Maybe they are too big, so you can reduce the, instead of 48 you can choose 35 or 34. See, they will be small a bit. Have you seen? Then maybe you re-export and see. You don't want the map to look clumsy. Have you seen that? So context _ J. I think this one looks better. Have you seen that? Yeah, so that is how you actually create a map a contextual, a locational, or a steady area map. So the difference is that with this one, you won't be able to show Ghana, Ashanti region, and other stuffs like that. You won't be able to show them. But then this one is a bit simple. You get it. The Ghana map is there. You zoom in, then you can see that, okay, these are the steady communities. They are located over here. And on the map of Ashanti region, okay, this is what is located over here. And from here, you are entering into Eastern region, Volta region is here, Ashanti region is here, and Western region is also here. Have you seen that? Yes. So this is the alternative way of creating a steady area map I was talking about. And I would like to thank you very much for being with me up to this point. Thank you very much. Like I said, if you want to know how you can make your data, your shapefiles ready like this, you see my shapefiles were ready. My Ashanti region, Ashanti regional district, my boundary, my communities, my Ghana regions, my steady communities, West Africa, everything was ready before I started this mapping. Do you get it? What if you want to also know how your data will be ready like that? Your data can be ready like that. How you can export your regions, how you can export your steady region, your steady district from a larger or a group of district shapefiles. How can you do that? If your steady area or a point is not in the shapefiles of the communities you are having, how can you get that particular steady location from a Google Earth, from the Google Earth software? Yes. If you want to know how to do that, how to do the exporting and make your data ready for a locational map, the video above, that is the link. You can check that video out. It will teach you how you can prepare your shapefiles for steady area map. Once again, thank you very much for watching. My name is Sir Dennis Kofi, and I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.